Before changing the filter on your Xfume Advanced unit, make sure to turn the power off, unplug the unit from the wall socket, and secure the locking caster wheels. Be sure to wear gloves and eye protection during this process. Dust masks are also recommended as fine particles of hazardous material may become dislodged from the filter during removal and handling. Remove the dust tray from the unit base and dispose of the contents properly. Then replace the dust tray. Unlock the two horizontal quick release latches that secure the motor box to the sound dampened exhaust stack. Release the two latches that secure the filter box to the unit base. The filter box can then be placed on the floor or a workbench with the intake ports facing upwards. Using the supplied filter wrench, loosen the filter and remove it from the housing. Bag and dispose of the filter properly. Thread the new filter on by hand until you feel resistance. Then snug the filter using the filter wrench to ensure a proper gasket seal. Repeat these steps for the second filter. Carefully center the filter box back onto the base and secure the quick release latches. Be sure to test your fume extraction unit to ensure it is functioning properly before working with it full time.
Hey, thanks for watching. Check out some of our other videos, like this one. Don't forget to share your thoughts on this video in the comments below, and subscribe if you want to be the first to see the latest from Abicore Bidsell.